Pasok na tayo. Pasok tayo sa manood tayo namin.
Pumasok at pwede dito. Maayos na lang po ng light. Salamat po.
Manood tayo ng Say Lion Show.
Sir, papantayan po yung mga base natin. Bawal po lumagbasa. Yellow link. Thank you po.
Panoorin natin yung Sea Lion.
You've got to know how the
No other group of animals could venture so high in the air, nothing no land masses, and dive such great depth below the water. Images of birds and flying soaring through the sky signifies freedom in the ocean. But flying is not the only skill they know. So, join us today as we show you a glimpse of how truly amazing and intelligent these birds are. Let us all welcome our flag racing bird, Buddy. Buddy is our Bulukan Kakatu, scientific name, Kakatuwa molucensis. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia, and they are the largest among the white cockatoos. Well, Buddy? Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer April. So here's an object that I will hide under one of these 3 silver cups. So where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Now which side? Left, right, or middle? Okay, so let's put it right here. Now let's call in our psychic bird, Dazzle. Dazzle is our sulfur-crested cockatoo. Scientific name, Kakatuwa galerita. They inhabit in open woodlands and forests along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud birds and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits, such as durian, papaya, rambutan, and they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find a hidden object? If it's yes, then say, you can do it, Dazzle. Go, Dazzle. And she found it! A round of applause for Dazzle with trainer Rochelle. Now, for our next featured birds are just like any married couple, monogamous, meaning they will be partners for lifetime. Pretty romantic, huh? But as any couple will attest, in a relationship there will always be battles. Meet Rico and Rika, a beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw. And today they will battle it out who's the best in basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into 2 groups. All the girls will cheer for Rika. Come on girls, let me hear you say Rika, Rika. And all the boys will cheer for Rico. Come on boys, let me hear you say Rico, Rico. Okay, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go. Here's Rico on his first ball, followed only by Rika. Another one from Rico. And for the last ball, and it's a tie. For the last ball, and Rico wins. What can you say about the trainer David? You guys, this is time.
Hold it. I want another race.
Oh, he wants another race, trainer JV?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Rika to lose again?
This time I guarantee you that Rika will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race.
So what is the ring race?
The first bird who can drop 2 rings to the pole the pass is the winner. That is the ring race.
So, our ring race is shall be. Remember guys that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Rika to win this time. We'll be doing this again. This time, our ring race. Ready, set, go. Here's Rika on his first ring. Followed only by, oh hey wait, Rika pick up the 3 rings at the same time. How clever is that? And the winner is Rika. What do you say about the trainer JV? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
No, we didn't cheat. Rika used her brain.
Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Rico and Rika with trainer David and trainer JV. Parrots are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and not get bored. Here's Sassy, our green-winged macaw. She's going to show us how intelligent she is by putting the shape back to its correct spot. Just like Sassy, green-winged macaws are from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the hyacinth macaws. Go Sassy. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachloroptera. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the riverbanks. Okay, for the last shape, go Sassy. And there you go, intelligent, right? A round of applause for Sassy with trainer Jerry. Now guys, who loves math? Everyone here knows addition, right? Well, this next part of the program will leave most people baffled and amazed, even as trainers. Do you think birds can do math? But before we call our mathematical wizard, I'll be needing 2 numbers between 1 to 50. So any number between 1 to 50? Any number? can solve this equation. But first, trainer Sean will shuffle the number. Now let's call in our hybrid bako, Rocky. So the equation is 9 plus 20. Trainer Mikey, is Rocky ready? Okay, go Rocky, solve the equation for us. Come on Rocky, 9 plus 20. And Rocky gets the first number, correct. How about the second number? After the second number, Rocky, well, Rocky loves numbers. Okay, Vicky knows the answer. And Rocky gets the number 9. So, 9 plus 20 is equals to 29. Put your hands together for a hybrid bako. Rocky with trainer Mikey. So this time, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Anyone? Just raise your hands and my co-trainer will pick one. Once again, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Anyone? Don't be shy. Come on, guys. You will notice the birds in the show are mostly parrots. It is because they are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically inclined. They have good memory and can remember even the smallest details. Come on, guys. Okay, I think we have one already. Ma'am, please come here in front and join me. Good afternoon, what's your name? How about a round of applause for Miss Erica, our volunteer? Can I have the 500 peso bill? Please follow me. Stand right here, facing this way, and then extend your left arm, just like this. As I put your money between your fingers. Ma'am, do you have an idea what will happen next? An idea? No? Well, now let's call in our money bird, Buddy. As I said earlier, Buddy is our Mulukan Kakatu. Scientific name, Kakatuwa mulustensis. Come on, Buddy. And I think Buddy will. Come on, Buddy. Buddy will donate the money. A round of applause for our donor. Mom, before we go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? No? Well, now you know, and your money will go a long way, and we are very grateful. Thank you so much. You may now take your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. How about 1,000 pesos this time? Anyone? Hey, Ma'am Erica. Are you okay? Are you sure? Then why you look so sad? Please come back here in front. We're just kidding, it's just part of the show. Come on, Bobby, let's return the money. Ma'am, before Bobby gives your money back, he wants to give you a kiss. Is it okay? Okay, you can remove your face mask. And then, face the camera. Come on, buddy. Smile. Wow. Another one? Nice. How about on your hands? On your hands. Okay. Smile. Alright, applause for our volunteer and Buddy. And there is your money. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you have seen our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species bird here in Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, hunt and feed by other animals. The term raptor came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to take by force. These birds are characterized by their keen vision that allows them to detect prey during flying. So here's an example of their amazing flying ability. Meet our family guides. Here comes Speed. Family guides are typically known as Haliastor Indus, one of the 446 species of bird around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and North China, including here in the Philippines. And here comes Shadow. They are locally known as lawin or balog in Visayas region. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons has an innate homing ability, meaning they will generally return to its nest and mate. A round of applause for our family guides and our homing pigeons. Here in the ocean bar, we believe there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but also for those who are in land and air as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. So here's a lovely word once again. They're going to show us the proper waste disposal. See? If our lovely birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you all enjoy the show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please, let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only home we got. So let's represent the birds and the trainers that made this show possible. Trainer JB with Rocky. Trainer Rochelle with Sassy. Trainer Mikey with Speed. And Trainer Jarek with Shadow. And again, I'm Trainer April. Thank you and goodbye. By the way guys, please remain on your seat because we still have a sea lion show. Once again, please remain on your seat and do not cross the yellow line.